Hey there, welcome to another video of problem solving. This is Bharat Divyang from Flying Academy, and today we have a problem in visualization. Now, visualization is a very important component of problem solving, be it math or chess. Being able to see what is not there, to visualize something that is not shown, is so fundamental in order to solve many a problem. So, let's take this one. So what you have here is called a stack map. So this is called a stack map. So imagine you have this 2 by 2 square put up on the floor. The number indicates the number of cubes that can be stacked here. For example, in this one, you can basically stack 1 cube. In this, it's 2 cubes. In this, it's 3 cubes and 4 cubes. Now, if you can't visualize it, that same thing has been shown in figure 2. As you can imagine, the very first one is 1 cube. These are the 2 cubes that you can see here. These are the 3 cubes that you can see here, and this is the 4 cubes, just as indicated by the stack map. This is the frontal view of once the cubes are stacked. So when the cubes are stacked and you're standing in front and you're looking at it, you will be able to see this, and this as the 3 cubes stacked on the left column, and this one, and this one as the 4 cubes stacked on the right column. So this is the front map. Now the question being asked to you is, if I have a stack map as shown here, what would be the front view? In other words, they're asking you to connect this to this. So if you have the stack map, can you visualize without having the benefit of seeing something like the actual stacked figure in order to solve the problem? All right, you can pause the video here, try to solve it. You have 5 options here, and we will come back and discuss it. But as with all my videos, I strongly urge all of you to please go through the productive struggle of trying to solve this problem. It's actually not very tough once you visualize it, but if you can't visualize it, it does get a little confusing. But nevertheless, solving problems like this is the way you get good at visualizing. All the best. All right, welcome back. I hope you went through your process of productive struggle and you were able to find the answer. If not, let's discuss it. All right, the key for you is observation, right? Any problem that you want to solve is going to start with observation. Being able to observe what is out there, being able to build a mental model of that and absorb the observation, right? Absorb all of that into a mental model is what's going to help you actually calculate and get the solution. So you can think of it as 3-step process: observe, absorb, and calculate. And in fact, once you calculate, you're going to solve, right? So this is the process in which you would go about doing it. So first, let's observe this. So I'm going to have 1 cube stacked here. Right behind this one, I'm going to have 2 stacked here. I'm going to have 4 stacked here. I have 3 stacked here, and right behind it, I'm going to have 2 stacked here. So the stack is going to be something like this. So when I look at it from the front, the frontal view, I should see how many columns? I'll be seeing 3 columns, and that itself can eliminate one of the answers. You cannot have 2 columns. You need to have 3 columns. Second, let's look at how you decide the height of a particular column when you look at it from the front. Now, if you observe this, you realize that even though this is 2, the height is 3. The reason is you need to look at whatever is the largest stack in that particular column, which in this case is 3. And therefore, the largest stack here is 2. Right? We're focusing on the leftmost column. The largest stack here is 2. And this will help you eliminate E because there's only 1, and it cannot be 4, so you can eliminate this as well. So the stack here has to be 2. So let's stick with that. Similarly, let's go to the rightmost column, and you can see that the stack here has to be 4. And you realize that both of these do fit in. So B and D both have a very similar thing. So if you look at the left column, it's a stack of 2. If you look at the rightmost column, it's a stack of 4. So the middle column is going to decide whether it's B or D. Now here, interestingly, you will have 3 in the front and 2 behind, right? But what matters is the highest stack. Whether it's in the front or the back doesn't matter, right? You're going to see the highest stack possible. So the 2 cubes behind the 3 is probably going to get hidden, but nevertheless you'll be seeing 3 cubes, and therefore D is wrong and B is correct. Alright, so what I would like you to do is to see if you can solve a few more puzzles using stack maps and create your own stack maps and try to visualize it. But this is definitely something that I'd love to use as a problem solving category of saying, I have the stack maps, give me the front view or give me the back view. This is something that is a very, very wonderful visualization tool, which I would love to use. I hope you found this video insightful and something that will help you on your visualization journey and how important that is into problem solving. If so, please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.